Hi, welcome back to the class. Now we are going to start the book work. That your first topic is identification of beads. This is the part of first class syllabus, identification of beads. But that is a revision part for class 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Okay. Now your first concept is identification of beads. In this concept, beads are given. You have to firstly find out what is the value of these beads. Now your first sum is, this looks like your abacus scale. Now only single one bead. One bead is there. You know that in mathematics we always start from the right hand side. So firstly count this figure. Now how many beads are there? One. One is touching to answer line. This line indicates your answer line. Now how many beads are there? This is your right hand side and unit place. This indicates your unit place. And this side indicates your tens place. Now unit place, lower bead is attached with the answer line. ठीक है? तो अभी lower bead, each bead is having one value. I already told you. So only one bead is here touching with the answer line. Only single bead है इधर right hand side पे unit place पे और जो answer line को touch कर रहा है. It means how many? What is the value of this bead? One. One is added in the abacus. So your answer is 1. Now your second sum. Your second sum is same. This side indicate your unit place and this side indicate your 10th place. Now how many beads? 2 beads touching with the answer line. It means how much value is added? 2. 1 plus 1. Each bead is having one value. So first bead is having one value. Second bead also touches with the first bead. And first bead touches with the answer line. It means together 2 of the beads are touching with the answer line. It means your value is 2. If I am writing here 3, then what is the answer? 3. If here 4, then what is the answer? 4. Means 4 beads are going to touch with the answer line. So your value is 4. So your next sum. This is the part related to the lower beads. If I am going to write like that. Now, this is your upper bead. Upper bead is touching with the answer line. So this side indicates unit place. So unit place upper bead value is 5. So write 5 here. If lower bead 1 with upper bead and 1 lower bead is there. So 5 plus 1 is 6. If upper bead and 2 lower beads are touching with the answer line. So what is the value? 5. This indicate 5. This indicate 1. This indicate 1. Add 5, 6, 7. So your answer is 7. If one more bead is attached, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Your answer is 8. If one more bead is attached, then your answer is 9. I already told you that unit place, your right hand side indicates your unit place, and we can add up to 9. Add up to 9 numbers on your unit place side. Now come to your tens place. Now your next concept. Now look at here. This is your tens place. Tens place upper bead is having value 50. Write 50 here. If one bead from the lower side also added with the upper bead, then 50 and lower bead, each bead is having 10 value. So 50 plus 10 is 60. Write 60. If one more bead is attached, then 70. If one more bead, 80. If one more bead, then 90. We can add up to 90 here on the tens place. Now this sum is given. Firstly, this indicates your tens place and this indicates your unit place. Now how many beads are there? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. And this one is 50 plus 1, 60. So no need of writing 60 like that. So that indicates your unit place. After unit place, tens place is coming. 60 plus 2, 62 comes. So simply count 1, 2, write 2 here. Then simply count 5 plus 1, 6. 6 right here. Otherwise you will get a confusion. Means here tens place 50 plus 10 is 60. Then you will write here 602. That is a wrong answer. It indicates unit place value, it indicates tens place value. But when we are adding, then simply count the numbers, beads. That one first bead, then second bead. Write 2 and count this one. 5 and 1 is 6. 62. Means always indicates that these all are having unit places. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. Another sum is there. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 beads are touching with the answer line. So what is the answer? Write 3 here. So value of this upper bead 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 93 is your answer. Hope you are understanding. Now one more sum is there. Now, what is the value of this upper bead? 5 and lower bead. Then 5 and lower bead value is 1. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. Now, lower bead value is 1 and second lower bead value is having 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Your answer is 26. So in these sums, always each rod carrying your unit places. No need of adding this tens place. Yes, this is showing tens place. But when you will find out the sum, now you will get a confusion. You will write here 20. That is a wrong sum. So always indicates that these all are rods having the unit places. So count like unit. This second rod upper bead value is also 5. 5, 6, 7. Like that. This rod also having a 5 value 6, 7. Now I am going to give the homework for today. Try to solve these sums at home. Note down on your copies and solve at home. Thank you.